What's going on, everybody? Ethan here for Carter Sports Cards. We're ripping a two-box break divisions of Panini Chronicles from 2017. We have Bowman Draft right now, but breaking that later. Thank you, everybody, for filling this up. We're about to get ready to rip this thing right open. Make sure I got my sleeves and everything.
Get a few fries ready.
I'll read off the teams here, or the divisions, in a moment. This is $24.99 per spot. We have Bowman Draft, which is $8 per division. That's coming up after this once it fills. But
thank you to everyone that bought in. We really appreciate it.
We're doing well. We got Bowman's Best coming on tomorrow. Sleeves should be good, and we go. Okay. So the teams, we have Chuck B, AL East, Shyla L, NL East, Andy B, NL West, John B, NL Central, Jim S, AL West, and John F, AL Central. Check the chat. Okay. Here we go. Box one, everybody. Good luck. Thanks for filling it up. Can you bring the trash can over here so we can bring it to my left? The one over there. Good luck, all. Alright, we got 12 packs per box. Empty box. Alright. Good luck. 12 packs.
Good luck to everybody.
Here we go. Pack one. Make sure my camera centering's all good. We'll read off the hits as we go. Here we go. Pack one. Anthony Rizzo base. Then we have an Anthony Rizzo prism.
Two Rizzos off the bat.
Here's to 25. Hunter Renfroe,
Ooh.
red. That'll be for the NL West.
NL West.
There you go, Andy B.
Andy B.
The base on the back is Hamilton and Holiday. Alright, fifth pack here. Might be our first hit or might be a decoy. Who knows? I think it's our first hit. This is going to be our first one.
Sure about that?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's going to be a triple threat relic, I think. Okay. Miguel Sano, Manny Machado, Albert Pujols, Joe Mauer, and our hit. It's going to be a Dansby Swanson triple threat relic. That'll be for the NL East. That is to 149. NL East.
Shyla L.
There you go, Shyla L. Congrats on the Dansby Swanson triple threat relic. Still waiting to hit something absolutely insane out of this stuff, like a Judge Bellinger Benintendi hit would be huge. All right. Good luck. We have Javier Baez base, Carson Kelly, rated rookie. So Ryan Healy to 499. Arenado and Roger Clemens on the back. Next pack, another big one. I think it's a decoy. Elvis Andrus, Matt Davidson, decoy. Use those for shipping, so you might get one. Who knows? To $9.99, that's Matt Davidson, White Sox, Cologne, and Ryan Braun. All right. All right, next pack. Another decoy pack, as you can see.
I love those decoys.
All right, Mike Trout base, Andrew McCutchen, Bo Jackson. That is to $9.99. Lindor and Ozuna.
Why'd you throw the pack over here?
I gotta get used to putting it in the trash can. My bad. So we got another box here. This is a two-box divisions break. All right, Justin Bohr, rated rookie, Yulieski Gurriel. We have to $199, Corey Dickerson. It's a green for the AL East, Myers and Odor. AL East is Chuck B. There you go, Chuck. Still 3 hits to go on this one. Pack one, or next pack.
Over there.
God, I gotta get used to it. My bad. Okay. Zimmerman, Okay, sorry. Zimmerman. We have a hit here in the back. It's going to be an autograph. Let's make sure we get it nice and rolled. Okay. That is Kevin Pillar. Signature Series auto for the AL East.
Chuck B.
There you go, Chuck. Congrats on the Pillar autograph. Not numbered. Gray one. Next pack.
There you go.
All right. Cal Ripken, and I have Prism. Joey Votto. Next card is another. This is a wave. Gary Sanchez. That is to 199 for Chuck B in the AL East. AL East is killing it.
Chuck B, man, you're doing great.
And then we have Moustakas and DeGrom. Next pack. Thanks for filling it up, everybody. Like we said, really appreciate it. Hope you can come and chat with us and whatnot. Here we go. Bo Jackson, Delmason LeMay. And here's an auto. Or press proof. An auto. 99 gold, Christian Arroyo. That'll be for the NL West, despite the fact that he was traded today to the Rays. That's Andy B, NL West for the Giants. Very nice gold, press proof, rated rookie of Mr. Arroyo. Base on the back. Next pack. Still a couple hits to get here. We'll go through the hits at the end if I can remember to do so. All right. Encarnacion, Gamble, and autograph. Ticket, rookie ticket auto, Anthony Alford, AL East.
Chuck B.
Chuck B is absolutely killing it in this first box of Chronicles. A-Rod, Chris Sale.
I think Chuck B got the right division.
One more hit to get, and this is the really thick one. Open that one. It's probably going to be a Spectra RPA, hopefully.
Nice.
Oh, man, I am not going to ever get it. All right. Salvador Perez, Eric Thames, Prism Refractor there, nice. Grinke to 999, base Shebler, base Votto. And last pack, last hit.
This one's thick. You're like twitching when you throw it over there.
All right, we'll try to slow roll it. Chris Archer, Jay Bruce, and your hit. That's Ian Happ. Ian Happ. Again, we've pulled him so many times in this stuff. That's going to be for the NL Central. John B. There you go. Ian Happ. Relic Auto to 299 Chronicles. Super nice hit there. There you go. Way to close out the first box. Ian Happ. We've pulled him so many times in this stuff. And we just continue to do so. That does it for the first box. Go through the hits real quick, or the sleeve stuff. Ian Happ, Relic Autograph. Anthony Alford, Rookie Ticket Auto. Press Proof to 99, Christian Arroyo. Wave Prism, Gary Sanchez. Kevin Pillar Autograph, and Dansby Swanson, Triple Threat Relic. And 25, Parallel, Hunter Renfroe. That does it for the first box. Second one coming up now. Good luck, everyone.
Mike's getting ready to do it.
That's right. Empty box.
Chuck it.
I will not do that. All right. First pack. Good luck, everybody. Second box. Todd Frazier, Josh Donaldson, and auto. Hunter Dozier, rookie ticket autograph. That'll be KC for the AL Central.
AL Central.
Jaron F. There you go. Adrian Beltre, George Brett. Remember, we have 26 to go on Bowman Draft. Breaks next. Boxes are right over here.
Really cheap spots.
$8 a spot. God. I will get it eventually. You'll see. Charlie Blackmon, Anthony Alford, rated rookie. Then I have to 25. Josh Bell, rookie parallel for the NL Central.
John B.
There you go, John B. You got a hit at the very last second on the last box. You get a nice parallel of Josh Bell here in the second box. Base on the back. Next pack. This is, I think this is a hit. Well, actually, I think it's a decoy. It's hard to tell the difference.
And there's another one to the right.
Trevor Story, Carlos Correa, decoy. Usually tell by the thickness. Bohr. The Bohr is a green to 199. Then I have Lorenzo Cain, 100 pence. It's hard to show base when it's like this, sideways, kind of weird stuff, base-wise. Next pack. All right. Logan Morrison, and two of them are backwards here. Prism, Miguel Cabrera. Then I have a blue Prism to 299, Hunter Renfroe. That is NL West.
Andy B.
There you go, Andy. Kershaw, Ken Griffey Jr. Something insane. Come on, we can do it. Something like ridiculous. Bellinger, Judge, you name it. It's frustrating. I got it. Yonder Alonso, Pete Rose, and John Farrell. Autograph. Red Sox manager. That's going to be AL East. Chuck B. killing it. This is the Red Sox manager, John Farrell.
So now they gave manager autos.
Autoed. I've seen this out of here before. Felix and Gallo. Couple hits to grab. Hopefully we can get something insane for Jim S., who's struggled in the AL West. I'm going to get it. You'll see eventually. All right, Mookie Betts, Adam Jones, autograph. Jonathan VR. It's a signature series auto for the NL Central. John B. killing it. Mickey Mantle, Paul Goldschmidt. Bowman Draft rips next when it's filled. We got one hit left in this box, I believe. Hoping for something insane. Odubel Herrera, Kyle Freeland, Albert Pujols to $9.99. Oh wow. Corey Kluber, Freddie Freeman. A few packs to go here, everybody. I'm just gonna open them all right here.
Open them all. That's a tactic. That's the Carter Sports Card signature tactic.
A lot of people do it. This one's super thick. I'm gonna save this pack for last.
I bet it's a decoy.
No, you get 2 decoys per box, and I'm pretty sure there's already a decoy in this stack. Alright. See, right here. Oh, it's not a decoy. What? I think this one has the decoy.
Boy, was I right.
Yeah. It's hard to tell with the way they package it. This is the decoy. Alright. Last stack, one hit in here. Here we go. Ken Griffey Jr. to $9.99. Justin Verlander, Chris Davis, Jose Altuve, Yadier Molina, Matt Kemp, George Brett Prism. That's not even numbered. I'm not going to sleeve it. Whoopsie.
How's he drop it?
That's AL Central.
AL Central. That's going to
German Marquez, George Springer. Marquez is to $2.99. Madison Bumgarner, Mike Schmidt, Robinson Cano, and your hit. Aaron Judge, relic to 499. Not an auto, which is unfortunate, but the patch is really, really nice. That's AL East. What do you know? Chuck B absolutely crushed it in this break.
Boom.
There you go with the Aaron Judge relic. Mark Reynolds,
Wow.
Ryan Sandberg. And how about this? Prism, Cody Bellinger for the NL West. There you go, Andy B. NL West. Killing it with the Bellinger Prism. Bellinger and Judge in the last few packs. Oh boy, I think there's a 1 of 1 in here. Yep, it looks like we have a plate. 1 of 1 plate. We do. Okay. Oh boy. I don't think it's auto or anything, but it's a 1 of 1 plate. Brian Dozier, Buster Posey, Antonio Cinzatella, Longoria, Justin Smoke, Cespedes, Sam Travis, and your 1 of 1. It's going to be for the Dodgers, Brock Stewart, 1 of 1 cyan plate, Los Angeles Dodgers, 1 of 1 Andy B. There you go.
Whoa.
Last card of the box is a 1 of 1 plate. That second box was killer at the end.
Wow.
1 of 1. We're going to go through the hits right now.
Golly.
Travis. Very nice end to the box break there for the divisions. We'll get those right out to everybody eventually, ASAP, as soon as possible. Let's go through the cards. 1 of 1 cyan plate, Brock Stewart, Cody Bellinger Prism, Aaron Judge Relic, Jonathan VR Signature Series Auto, John Farrell Auto, Hunter Renfroe Blue, Josh Bell 25 Red, Hunter Dozier Rookie Ticket Auto. We killed it in this break. All right, thanks for filling it up, everybody. We'll be back in a minute with 2-box break Bowman draft, 26 to go on that. Hopefully we can fill that up tonight. Thank you everyone for buying spots in that one, and that'll close out the break. Thanks everybody. Back in a moment.